Hey guys, Shabari X Gloves here. This is an unscheduled video, but I just got something really cool in the mail. And someone I know was able to direct me to a website a while back, and I've just been ordering gloves from them, and they're really cool. And so I happened to stumble upon a brand that I happen to really been wanting to try for a while, and it's just really hard to get here in the US. And so when I saw it, I had to order it. So let's open them up and show you what I got. So I got my usual favorites. These are True Grip Black Latex gloves. And the really cool one that I've been wanting to show you guys are some Unigloves. So I got the Black Pearl Black Latex gloves from Uniglove, and they are so hard to get here in the US, and so when I saw it, I had to get it, and I bought as many as I could, and I'm gonna probably order another case, but let's open them up together. All right. Ooh, they are very soft. They feel so silky in the middle. And these are extra small. Guys, I love these. They are so smooth, so soft, but yet good grip. I love gloves that have a good grip. If they are too smooth, they don't have that grip, I don't like it. But these are fucking amazing. And I don't curse a lot in these videos, but my God, these are fucking good. Now, it's not very shiny because it's kind of just absorbed right into the latex. So it's fluid protection, which is good. I ripped them. Okay, they are a little thin, so. Alright, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.